Hello everyone, today we will present you about our project KU Reviews. So the member of the projects are me, Ratthicha, Parinthip, and my friend Nartnatta, Krivichian. So let's start at introductions. So exam preparation is essential for academic success, but students often struggles with organize their study plan effectively. In programming course, students take 3 rounds of exam with the best score selected as their final grade. Each round tests the same unit, allow students multiple chance to improve their understandings. So Kasetsart University offers KU Learn for online courses and KU Lam for examinations, but those platforms operate in dependencies. Without integration, students struggle to connect their exam performance with relevant learning materials, making it harder to improve effectively. The key challenge that students face are difficult to identify the weakness areas, lack of integration between platforms, and without struggle guidance, students may waste time on relevant materials. So before developing KU reviews, we review existing research on AI-driven learnings and competitor platforms to understand the current gap in exam preparation solutions. Studies have shown that AI-driven personalized recommendations improve learnings, retentions, and engagement. Forsatis and Tone Carbonis found that the tailored study plans lead to better academic performance, while Marlins highlight the benefits of quizzes and practice exam in reinforcing knowledge. We also analyze existing online learning platforms such as Udemy and edX. While those platforms offers high quality contents, they lack personalized engagement trackings, meaning the students do not receive custom recommendation based on their weakness. Additionally, course materials in those platforms are generic and do not adapt in individual learning gaps. KUReview designed to help students study smarter by offering an education learning system with three core features. Chapter-wise exam score breakdown provide details breakdown of exam score by chapters, help students identify strengths and weakness of target revisions. AI-powered study recommendations and interactive learning suggest content, quizzes, exercise, and KU Learn video based on weakness area, allow students to focus on specific topics of effective learnings. Learning focus tagging compare individual score with the class average, help students monitor their progress over time with clear insight.
Next is our software architecture. To develop a KU review, we utilize a well-integrated technology stack that ensures efficiency, scalability, and maintainability. The stack is categorized as follows. First one is our development tools. We use VS Code as a primary code editor for writing and debugging, and we also use Postman for API testing. For the front-end development, we use React.js, which is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces with component-based approach. For back-end development, we use Node.js, which is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript on the server side. For the database, first we use MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database used for storing student information and exam data. And for MongoDB Atlas is a cloud-based database service for hosting MongoDB instances. For AI integration, we use OpenAI to implement it for intelligent features and data-driven insights. For project management and collaboration, first we use Trello to tracking our task and workflow management. And for Discord is our primary communication platform for team discussions and meetings. And for financial tracking, we use Google Sheets. Next is version control and repository management. We use GitHub to manage our source code, version control, and collaboration. And lastly, we use Figma to design and prototyping and wireframing.
Okay, so here is our product look like. So when user first come into our website, they will see login page. So this username and password is a KU account. So when user click in login, they will see the score, also a countdown and overall progress. So let's see. So the score they can select like in round 1, round 2 and round 3. We also have a predicate to see like which grade they would have if they get this lecture score. So for my lecture test score I got 50%, I will get B if I do the homework 100% and lab 95%. So next, move on to the studies or our suggestions. You can also click here for round 1 or click here for the lasted round. So let's click here. So user can select the unit to see their learning contents. So if I select subroutines on unit 3, it will generate the contents. And once it's already created content, user can read. So we have like concept explanations, multiple course examples, common mistakes, and also exercise and solution to let user try. So we have the quiz at the end. So if user answered wrong, it will say wrong answers, please try again. Also if user correct already answered right, user can click next to see. So the one with the new generate is a new subtopics in this unit. So as you can see, we have like page 2 out of 12. It means like now we on the subtopics 2. So it's the same, like we have concept explanations, all the contents, and also have the quiz at the end. So if you back to our homepage, you will see the overall text focus is increased because I do the subroutine. Also for the exercise, we have like extra exercise. So if the user already do that unit, user will see the score and the suggestion what they need to improve, and also a question answer correct answers and explain why this is correct. So user can also click on redo to do the exercise again, and user can answer or the exercise. Yes, and user can see their final score with also what they need to improve, the question, your user answers, correct answers, and why it's correct. And we also have a exercise history, so we record highest score by units, and also which round user get what score. Like I just do it 20 on my 6th round, but the highest is 60. So here, user also click to go to the exercise here to redo the exercise. But if user did not do the exercise yet, we show like no score yet, let's go and do it. So user also can click here to go to unit 5. Yeah, so click to answer all the question and got the score right, and it will update here 50. Users also select here to like view their tracking performance. Unit 3, I do it 1 time. Also we have profiles, so user can select the exam rounds and compare it with the average of the class. So here is exam round 1. So user got 2 in unit 2 basics, and the average of the class is 4.63. User also can see their score min max here.